Security footage captures a jaw-dropping incident inside a distribution center when a forklift navigating a narrow aisle makes slight contact with a high bay racking system loaded with heavy inventory. Within seconds, this minor impact triggers a catastrophic chain reaction as the massive structural shelving loses stability, collapsing sequentially like dominoes and burying the aisle under tons of product and twisted steel, causing millions of dollars in property damage. This serves as a stark reminder of the critical importance of workplace safety. Warehouse operators must ensure strict adherence to operating procedures by utilizing fully certified forklift drivers who maintain focus at safe speeds. Furthermore, routine inspections must be conducted to check load-bearing standards, and heavy-duty steel guardrails should be installed to prevent minor bumps from turning into disasters. A short video captures a hazardous construction site incident where a shirtless worker in a pink hard hat is struck directly on the head and shoulder by a heavy object. Like a material sack falling from an upper level, the severe impact instantly knocks him motionless to the ground. This serves as a critical safety wake-up call to prevent such incidents. Comprehensive personal protective equipment (TP) like proper clothing and steel-toe boots must always be worn alongside hard hats. Furthermore, active overhead work zones require clearly marked drop zones, barricades, or safety netting to protect those below. Finally, maintaining strict communication and situational awareness between ground and upper-level workers is vital to identify and proactively avoid unexpected falling hazards. This video captures a dangerous close call as a mini excavator attempts to drive onto the bed of a flatbed truck using loading ramps. Due to a miscalculation of the center of gravity, the moment the excavator moves forward and shifts its full weight onto the rear of the truck, the vehicle's balance is severely compromised. The extreme leverage lifts the front end of the truck completely off the ground, losing all traction on its front wheels. The truck begins rolling backward uncontrollably down the sloped road, creating a chaotic situation that nearly results in a rollover. This serves as a crucial safety lesson for operators. To prevent such incidents, teams must always verify load distribution and balance by calculating the center of gravity before loading heavy machinery. Implementing mandatory stabilization like outriggers or wheel chocks is essential to secure the transport truck. Finally, utilizing a dedicated spotter to guide the process helps catch early signs of instability and avoid dangerous tipping or runaway rollouts. The video captures a sudden incident as a delivery driver opens a cargo truck's rear doors. Due to poorly secured cargo that shifted during transit, a massive load of fruit crates and boxes loses balance and spills onto the pavement. Fortunately, the driver's quick reflexes allow him to step back in time, avoiding personal injury, though the shipment sustains heavy property damage. This highlights crucial safety warnings for logistics. First, all cargo must be tightly packed and secured using straps or cargo bars before hitting the road to prevent shifting from vehicle vibrations. Second, when opening box truck doors, drivers should never stand directly in front of them. Always stand to the side and crack the door slightly first to assess load stability, preventing accidents from sudden falling items. The video captures a critical workplace incident inside an industrial manufacturing facility. While a worker is focused on their duties right next to a containment area filled with glowing, high-heat material, a coworker approaches from behind and engages in reckless horseplay by shoving them. This sudden push causes the worker to completely lose their balance and fall directly into the high-temperature pit. Recognizing the immediate danger, nearby team members rush to the scene and successfully pull the worker out of the hazardous area. This incident serves as a profound reminder of the critical importance of strict adherence to workplace safety regulations. An industrial environment is absolutely no place for practical jokes or unprofessional behavior. Every employee must maintain situational awareness to protect themselves and those around them. At a construction job site with hazardous mud and icy conditions, a worker in a black jacket moving cautiously near a commercial truck suddenly loses his footing and suffers a hard slip and fall due to the slick terrain. A nearby coworker in a gray jacket notices the incident with immediate concern but cannot react in time. This serves as a critical reminder of workplace safety protocols during harsh winter conditions. To minimize risks, Management and field crews must prioritize proper PP, such as wearing slip-resistant boots, and implement site slip mitigation like clearing snow and applying sand. Additionally, comprehensive safety training on navigating slippery surfaces and fostering strong situational awareness are essential. Worker safety must always be the top priority, as a single slip can cause severe injuries affecting long-term well-being. This footage captures a severe industrial accident inside a busy warehouse where heavy machinery is operating. In the background, a large forklift can be seen reversing. Due to a lack of visibility and situational awareness, the forklift operator accidentally strikes a nearby worker, pulling him underneath the vehicle. The incident happens so quickly that bystanders are unable to react in time. As soon as they realize what happened, nearby coworkers immediately shout for help and rush over to assist. This incident serves as a stark reminder of the vital importance of occupational safety for equipment operators. Checking blind spots and maintaining absolute focus while backing up is mandatory. At the same time, floor workers must remain highly alert, maintain a safe distance from heavy machinery, and never take safety for granted to prevent injuries. The footage captures a severe workplace safety incident in a loading area where a group of 4 employees gathered around an electric pallet jack is suddenly struck from behind by a fast-moving industrial forklift. Due to a lack of situational awareness, the forklift collides directly with the workers, trapping them between the equipment and knocking one man in a green shirt aside. The operator stops immediately as coworkers rush to help. This incident highlights critical safety takeaways. Employees must never congregate in shared traffic lanes or blind spots where heavy machinery operates. Furthermore, operators must maintain high situational awareness and safe speeds around pedestrians, while facilities must implement strict pedestrian segregation and require proper PPE like high-visibility vests. The video captures a workplace incident involving an employee working near a large mechanical lift in an industrial warehouse. As the machinery lowers a heavy stack of materials, the worker stands too close to the active operating zone. A brief lapse in situational awareness leads to the worker becoming caught in the equipment's moving parts, being pulled down and pinned against the floor. Nearby coworkers immediately rush over to provide assistance and call for the facility's medical response team. This incident serves as a critical reminder of the absolute necessity of following safety protocols around heavy machinery. It highlights the vital importance of remaining vigilant, maintaining constant situational awareness, and strictly adhering to safety clearance zones. Management must ensure that all personnel receive comprehensive training on hazard recognition, implementing physical guardrails, warning signage, and easily accessible emergency stop buttons is crucial to preventing such occurrences, as complacency can lead to severe consequences. Surveillance footage captures a severe workplace accident at a construction site during deep foundation excavation, where a worker in a red shirt is operating next to an unbraced, freestanding brick wall. Nearby, a compact excavator shifts debris, but its bucket accidentally strikes the base of the wall during a turn. Due to the sudden impact, the structure collapses and traps the worker instantly. This incident highlights the critical need for strict job site safety. First, workers must stay clear of the heavy machinery swing radius. Second, all freestanding structures and trench faces must use proper shoring and temporary bracing to withstand vibrations. Finally, operators should utilize a designated spotter, while ground personnel must maintain total situational awareness.